Assalamu alaikum guys. Today we are going to make a 220 voltage 100 watts power inverter. It will invert 12 voltage into 220 voltage AC, 12 voltage DC into 220 voltage AC. So let's discuss about the components which are going to be used to make this. First of all, we will get a wooden piece which would be its base. You can see this wooden piece here. Second, we will get two pair of crocodile clips. Then we will get two screws and a transformer. These screws are to tight the transformer. Okay guys, so next we will get a 12 voltage relay, which is, it is 5 pin relay. You can get it easily from electronic components shop. Then we will get a 10 microfarad capacitor. You can also use 10 microfarad 16 voltage capacitor or mini capacitor, but you should use more than 12 voltage capacitor. Then we will get simple board PCB board, general purpose PCB, and then we will get two 220 voltage connectors, and last we will get a wire, DC wire, which will use to connect the battery. Okay guys, so let's start. So guys, here is our general purpose PCB and here is our relay. Okay guys, so here I have connected this relay to the PCB. You can see now guys, this is, you can see the 3 pins here and the 2 pins here of the relay. Now what we need is a 10 microfarad capacitor, which should be more than 12 voltage. Here we have this capacitor. Okay guys, now we will connect this capacitor to these 2 pins of the relay. Let me show you how we will connect it. So guys, here you see that we have made this PCB, this relay and capacitor. The positive of the capacitor is located on this pin and the negative of the capacitor will connect to this pin. You can see we have connected the negative to this pin and the positive to this pin on the relay. Okay guys, now our this DC to AC converting PCB is 100% ready. Now what we will have to do is get a wood plank or any piece of wood here. You can see we have this wood plank. I have showed you in the start of the video. What we will do with this is we will place the transformer on this wood plank. Okay guys, so here is the transformer. Here we will place it on the wood plank and we will tight this transformer using screws. Okay guys, here we have connected the transformer with this wood plank. Now we will connect this PCB, or you could call it chip, to this transformer. This will convert DC to AC. But before we do anything with this PCB, there is one last important thing left. So guys, you know what is that important thing? That we will have to jump this pin with this pin. We will have to jump these, means we will have to connect these 2 pins. Okay guys, so I will show you how could we do that. Okay guys, so here we will get a wire. This is a wire. We will use it as a jumper to jump the positive of the capacitor or this pin of the relay with this pin. We will connect these two using this wire. Okay guys, you can see that we have connected the jumper from this pin to this pin of the relay. Okay guys, now we will connect the transformer wires with this PCB. Okay guys, you could see that we have connected the transformer with this DC to AC converter. I forgot you telling about the transformer. We will have to get a 220 voltage to 12 voltage 1 ampere transformer. Okay, you can also use a 9 voltage transformer as I have used here, 8.5 voltage 1.1 ampere. This is a 9 voltage 1.1 ampere transformer. I can also use it, and we can also use 12 voltage transformer. It should be better to use that. And let me tell you how I have connected the transformer. Here you could see the negative leg of the capacitor here is connected with one of the two wires of the transformer, and the other wire is connected with this point of the relay. You could see. Okay, we have done this. Now we will give the voltage input, means 12 voltage. For this, first of all, we will connect the crocodile clips with the wire. Okay guys, so I am going to connect the. Okay guys, you could see that I have connected the crocodile clips on this wire. Okay guys, so now we will connect this wire to this PCB. Okay guys, here we have connected the wire with the PCB. The negative input wire is with the negative of the capacitor, and the positive wire is in the middle pin of the relay. You could see here this middle pin of the relay. Okay guys, now we will place this PCB right here using glue gun. So guys, I hope you would like the video. Please like and subscribe. Okay guys, you could see that our inverter is ready. I have connected the connectors to the 220 volt wires, and I have sticked a piece of paper here, and I will stick these two connectors on this using Flaviquick. So guys, you can see our power inverter has been made and it's working. Okay guys, now we will test this power inverter if it works or not. We will test this on this bulb. Okay guys, I hope you see that it's working. You can see the bulb is lighting up. The wires are not connecting properly, and if they connect properly it would light up. Okay guys, I hope you could see that it's working properly. Okay guys, Allah Hafiz.